Bentley has officially revealed the name of its first fully electric production model, and it marks the beginning of a new chapter for the legendary British luxury brand. Called the Torcal, the new sport utility vehicle is scheduled to make its world debut on September 23 in London. While Bentley has delayed its original goal of becoming an all-electric brand, by 2030, the Torcal remains on schedule to become the company's first vehicle designed exclusively as an electric model. The name Torcal carries a deeper meaning than many might expect. Bentley says it was inspired by El Torcal de Antequera, a breathtaking natural park in southern Spain, famous for its dramatic limestone rock formations. The name also traces its roots back to the Latin word torquere, meaning to twist, which is also where the word torque originates. It is a fitting choice for a luxury electric vehicle expected to deliver impressive performance. Until now, Bentley simply referred to the project as its urban sport utility vehicle. Even though it will sit below the Bentayga in the lineup, the Torcal is still expected to be a large luxury sport utility vehicle with generous interior space and unmistakable Bentley craftsmanship. Recent prototype testing has confirmed that Bentley is taking a more modern design approach while staying true to its heritage. The official teaser image offers the first real look at the rear of the Torcal. Slim, horizontal light bars stretch across each side of the tailgate, featuring Bentley's signature diamond-inspired lighting pattern. A large roof spoiler, clean tailgate design, and simplified rear styling give the vehicle a much more contemporary appearance than today's Bentayga.